Honeywell 70 Pint Dehumidifier Reviews. Some special features about Honeywell 70 Pint. With built-in pump dehumidifier for basement and large room. This is perfect for walls, curtains and appliances from excess household moisture. Heavy-duty handle withstands up to 150 pounds of weight. Hassle-free maintenance. A full tank alert and filter clean alert make it easy to maintain. The water tank has splash guard so the water doesn't spill, and the tube is included for long, unattended operation. Practical and versatile. Brand: Honeywell Home. Color: white. Capacity: 70 pints. Item dimensions: LXW XH 12.4 by 15.75 by 25.4 inches. Item weight: 42.9 pounds. Operation mode: sleep. Floor area: 4,000 square feet.